How to wake up to weather forecast on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. As you get there, tap on the search icon on the bottom right. From here, select Sleep from the Health categories options as shown. On the next page, tap on Sleep again. Then, tap on the sleep schedule and turn it on. After that, set your schedule from the menu of Full Schedule, which is the initial step to create a recurring sleep and wake-up time. It will allow you to set your desired bedtime, wake-up time, and the days of the week the schedule should apply to, along with alarm options like sound and snooze. Then, tap Add to confirm. Now, go to Settings app. Scroll through the menu and select Privacy and Security. Here, select Location Services and scroll down to the Weather option. From here, change Location Access Grant from Always to While using the app or widgets. Following these steps, you can easily wake up to weather forecast on iPhone.